Hey, I'm having an issue with my OSD in the sense that it's showing really glitchy video, but only when I have my transmitter on or the USB connected to my computer. Well, the USB I can do without, but the transmitter, yeah, kind of need that one. So let me first show my setup over here and then I'll show you the issue. I am using a HGLRC 3.0 all-in-one board. It's a PDB flight controller and an OSD using MinimOSD, and I have connected a receiver from FlySky, the FS1A6B, and I'm using the FS16 transmitter. On the video side, I have a little 5-volt camera and an Eachine ET200R 200 milliwatt VTX with race band, and they are connected to the PDB, meaning that the voltage from the supplying voltage to the VTX is coming from the PDB directly from the LiPo, and the camera is connected to a 5-volt regulator on the PDB. The camera ground is connected to the VTX ground, which in turn goes to the LiPo ground, the PDB ground, and the video of both devices are running through the board, of course, so that the MinimOSD can overlay its video. Now, this is going just fine at the moment, because as you can see, the video is working just fine. I have video, and there's an overlay, as we all know it from MinimOSD. But let's see what happens when I turn on my transmitter. Well, this happens. We get the glitch of doom. And if I turn off the transmitter, it recovers itself. Now, let's go over to my laptop, particularly the USB cable. Let's see what happens if I plug in the USB cable. Well, video disappears completely. If I play out the USB, video comes back, and, well, in this case we see MinimOSD has reset itself. Well, I'm totally at a loss as to what this might be. You know, my gut says something like, ooh, well, grounding issue of sorts, but what that means, I don't know. I can say that if I direct connect the video leads and take the PDB OSD out of the equation, if I directly connect the video to the VTX, then everything's fine. Then the transmitter and plugging in the USB cable isn't an issue. So it is something to do with the MinimOSD or with power, how power is going through the board, and how, I don't know, I'm babbling because I just don't know. So if you have any clue, if you have any tips that I could try out, please let me know. Thanks.